Well, Blackford started in 2010. We started with a clinical product that registers current and prior images. What that allows a radiologist to do is to click on a piece of pathology or anatomy in the prior study and find it in the current and vice versa. That works across modalities, it works all over the body, and really it's deeply integrated within the PACS viewer. Now, to be able to provide the performance to be able to have the radiologist click and to have an instant result, we had to build what we call a platform that saw all the images going through the PACS and was able to process them in order to generate this registration information. Now, a few years ago we identified that there were lots of other applications that could benefit from having access to all the data going through the PACS and be able to produce valuable results either for the radiologist, the referring physician, or for other users within the hospital. And that's really where the concept of the Blackford platform was born.
The Blackford Curated Marketplace, part of the Blackford platform, is a library of vetted applications that allow the user to create a tailored package of applications specific to their practice, which saves time and also has financial benefits. What do we mean by vetted? Well, we look at all aspects of the application. Do they have a regulatory clearance? Is there clinical value? And is there a clear business case that can be built around that product? Since RSNA 2018, Blackford has had another really exciting year. We've doubled our deployed base for the third year in a row, and through our channel partners we now have access to 20% of the US medical imaging market. Blackford was also proud to receive the 2019 Frost & Sullivan Visionary Innovation Leadership Award for Best Practices in Artificial Intelligence Marketplace Solutions.
So I think at RSNA this year we're seeing a maturity of the AI space. The real change this year is that the technology is starting to be applied to real clinical problems rather than hypothetical ones. And I think that the area that's going to be most interesting this year is understanding which AI providers have got that value proposition nailed down. So have they understood whether they add value within the radiology department, either by improving radiologist efficiency or radiology efficiency, so efficiency of the use of modalities? Are they looking at what value they can add for the referrer, i.e. what would you do if you had an hour to read a study rather than a few minutes? And then also, have they identified opportunities for taking non-imaging procedures from elsewhere in the hospital and bringing them into radiology? So we're really excited to be taking part in the AI Showcase this year, and we'll be having a presentation in the main theatre. The topic for the presentation is really trying to understand how you can drive value for your practice from these AI applications. Really what we need to do is understand how that fits in with your case mix, with your referrer base, with your radiologists. And what we hope to do during our presentation is to really expand on that and to try and nail down some areas where real value can be created within either a radiology group or the wider hospital for these AI products. The thing that I'm really looking forward to at RSNA is connecting with our customers and our potential customers and sharing these value propositions that allow them to generate a return on investment from the work that's going on in AI. For a long time, these have been hypothetical products that may have value down the line. I think what we're seeing now is that some of these products have real value in a clinical environment, and we're looking forward to sharing that with our customers.
In addition to the exceptional partnerships that we already have in place, we'll be showcasing 3 new partners at RSNA this year. Subtle Medical, who have a PET product for image enhancement and have also just received FDA clearance for their MR product. Vida, with their lung print discovery product, used for lung volume, density and airway analysis, and MaxQ with their intracerebral hemorrhage detection.
Blackford has 2 new channel partnerships this year. The first is with Bayer. We're delighted to have gone through the Bayer G4A partnership program. The exciting thing about that Bayer partnership is that it gives us access to a wider range of interactions than we've had before. Typically our partners have been in the PACS industry, And really this is taking us out into pharma, which is a very exciting area for the use of AI in medical imaging. We're excited this year to announce our partnership with IBM Watson Merge. IBM will be taking our registration product, the piece that compares current and prior images for faster radiology workflow, and deploying that through the Blackford platform to all of their sites.
Blackford is excited to introduce a new product, the Blackford Dashboard, at RSNA 2019. The Blackford Dashboard is a support tool for the Blackford platform, and it's a powerful monitoring tool giving users 24/7 oversight into the platform. The dashboard collects and visualizes data from multiple instances of the platform. The users are presented with a traffic light system where they can instantly get a visual cue as to the running state of an instance. It essentially adds a face to the platform and gives them a clear view of its processing activities.